Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and Happy New Year's. We're going to do Pokemon Phantasmal Flames today. Let's see what we get. Hopefully the new year brings us some luck. We've got a code card. We're going to say Fire. Nope, Psychic. I got it right twice yesterday. I want to hear you laugh. Lotad. Boltund. Baneri. Togedemaru. Fire Breather. Honchkrow. Orcaladon. Bronzong. Ooh, a Meowth. Can we get a second? Nope. Flygon. I like that Meowth. My second Meowth. Next pack. I'm not doing good today.
How did you drop the same card 4 times?
Butterfingers. That's why. We're going to say water. Nope, fighting. Gloom. Dugong. Deweypuff. Darumaka. Punk Helmet. Alcremie. Ceruledge. Boltund. Swinub. And Reshiram. Let's pack magic. Can we get some? I wish. Code card. And we're going to say Steel. Nope, Electric. Darumaka.
Build up for you to be wrong.
Huh?
The build up for you to be wrong.
Bronzor. Dugong. Ghastly. Meloetta. Jumbo Ice Cream. Gliscor. Ludicolo. Ramblin. And a Palma. Well, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.